How many of you feel that learning English as a second language is so hard? Or cramming grammar rules and dealing with different kinds of sentences is quite frightening? Well, I feel you. But before going further, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Fatima. I'm from Sukkur IBA University and I am from Education Department. Apart from my academics, I love to teach. I love to teach those grown-ups who face difficulty when it comes to learning new language. So, I need three things from you: your time, your focus, and your consistency. These are the three ingredients that are really needed so that I can help you. So let me ask you one question. Are you ready for this? See you on 20 January